Hi everyone, welcome to Make Money You. My name is Mivumbi, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your affiliate link into your landing page. So before we dive into today's video, welcome back beautiful people in my channel Make Money You. And if you are into education, Make Money Online, and business tips, you are in the right place. Subscribe to my channel Make Money You, where I, Mivumbi, share the latest insight of affiliation marketing and more. So let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button now, and I do appreciate your love and support. Thank you. Let's go back to our video. In this video I'm going to use get response. So this is a landing page. I already created a landing page. If you don't know how to create a landing page, I go video, which I'm going to link down below this video. You can look how to create a landing page. So when you already have your landing page, this is get response. Also, I'm going to leave a get response link down below this video. You can have 30 days free trial. So you come here. This is landing page I already create. You come here where I say success view. Let's have a look here. You click there, and when you click there, usually it's like this. So when you come here, you need to select redirect to another page or site. So you click here. You don't need to do anything else. Just click there. When you get there, here is going to be blank. Let's take this link off. So when you redirect to another page or site, you go here. So here is a place you're going to put your affiliation link. So I go some affiliation link here. Okay, so you're going to paste here. Okay, so this is the link for affiliation link. This is where you put your affiliation link, and when you finish this, you click save or you click publish, right? And when you do that, when someone land in this landing page here, when they put their name and they put their email address, when they sign up, they are going direct to the sales page of this product you are promoting. At the same time, you are going to receive an email address of this customer. For the next time, if you promote the same product, you can send them email for the new product, and they can buy and you get in commission. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, my name is Mivumbi. Please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate your love and support. Until next time, take care.